The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 56. Well, a very good day to you. It is Saturday the 18th of November 2023, and I did come over to the boat today at the marina, and I had every intention of taking the boat up to Nottingham. I booked in for a couple of nights at the Nottingham Castle Marina. The Christmas fair at Nottingham, the market, started last week, so I thought I'd go and have a look at that. But unfortunately the river levels have risen quite a lot this morning. We had quite a bit of rain last night, and there's been some odd spots of rain throughout the week, so the river is expected to go back into the flood by about 6:30 tonight. So although I could get the boat to Nottingham, I would find it extremely difficult to get it back in a hurry, and I do need to be back in Derby next week, as I've got one or two things already planned. So I'll put that on hold yet again. I really do want to get the Swamp Duck out for a cruise before Christmas, but it's getting ever unlikely. It's just so weather dependent at the moment. It's been a while since I was able to actually take the boat out. I think I just managed it very briefly in October, just once, but since then it's just been constantly in and out of flood. The river levels have been going up and down like a fiddler's elbow, so it's just not been possible. But I have managed to complete all of my videos apart from New Year's Eve, where I will be in Blackpool for that one. But I have managed to complete all of my videos up until the end of 2023, so no problems there. There's more videos to come. So my next video goes out on Saturday the 2nd of December 2023, and that's a video of my recent visit to Merseyside, and I went on a very special boat on the Mersey. So join me for that video on Saturday the 2nd of December 2023 at 8 a.m. I'd like to thank you for your continued support for the channel, and as always, do take care.